it's me again, no. I made this again, no. So let's be seeing how it goes. Hello, good morning. It's a beautiful spring morning. Yeah, I'm just, my off day, trying to see what I can do to make up of the day. So I'm going to the music studio to see what I can do, for the assignment God has given to me. And I trust I'll be able to do something very productive today. And yeah, so see you when I get there. This is me enjoying a very nice spring walk. In Finland, and as they usually say that Finland has, is quite good in nature. You can just imagine everything that is happening right now. So good, nature walk, and it's really, really refreshing. I tell you, it's really refreshing to just hear the birds sing. I think you can hear one right now. The calmness, the birds singing, walking in the woods, and all of this niceness of Finland. Yeah, don't worry. Okay, actually, what happened? Yeah, was that the sun is out, and before I left the house, it was like +6. I think maybe now it's +7. Yeah, so it's actually such a good weather, spring weather to walk in. I don't know if you can see, there's still some bit of snow there. Yeah, there's still some snow there, but yeah, it's manageable, with a spring jacket, not necessarily having to walk having winter jackets on. And the train is just around there, moving. So it's so refreshing and relaxing, really. I tell you, like, if throughout the year we have this much niceness, like, oh my god, I don't know what to say anymore. You can see some people walking with their dogs, and everything is just cute. And you can see the train is supposed to be traveling over there. So a whole lot of cute niceness. Everywhere is just so cute. Oh yeah, I had to take off my jacket because it's getting hot and I don't want to be sweating while enjoying this nice weather. So this is Finland for you. So I think Finland has like a lot of trees as at this time, because I've been wondering, like, they are literally cutting trees down. I think they got an excess of trees, so they find it needful to put some down. Otherwise you get, okay, I don't know if there's something called like excess greenish like when you have excess trees, or maybe there's nothing like that. But Finland has done so much so far that to make sure the environment is really, really livable. Like, yeah, the sky itself is cute.